Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to reactivate Instagram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to reactivate Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app. Now to reactivate your Instagram account, you need to know a thing, that is you will only be able to reactivate your Instagram account before the 30 days of the deactivation or deletion period. After that, you won't be able to reactivate your Instagram account. But before that, guys, if you log into your Instagram account or after opening your Instagram account, you'll be able to sign in. Similarly, sign into your account and you will be able to choose the option to either keep your account or keep deactivating it. And if you tap or choose on the keep account, then you will be able to reactivate Instagram account in a moment by just logging in. And this is how to reactivate your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.